Hey, it's Sofia. Today, I want to take you somewhere special, into a movie scene, into a series moment, into the rhythm of real English as it lives on the screen. If you like this gentle approach, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a chance to grow. And stay with me till the end. There's a little song waiting just for you. Let me ask you, have you ever watched a movie in English and thought, I wish I could speak like that? Maybe it's the hero saying a perfect line at just the right moment. Maybe it's the music, the energy, the flow. And here's the secret. You can bring that into your English practice, not just by watching, but by becoming part of it. When you watch a series or a movie in English, something powerful happens. At first, you only catch single words. Hello. Wait. Come on. Then, slowly, you begin to hear full sentences. You don't even need to translate in your head anymore. You just feel it. That's where real listening skills grow. But it doesn't stop there. One of the best ways to learn natural English is called movie shadowing. Here's how it works. 1. Find a scene you like. Short and clear. Maybe from your favorite show. 2. Watch it once with subtitles. Understand what's happening. 3. Watch it again, but this time repeat the lines out loud. Match the voice, the tone, the feeling. You're not just copying words. You're copying energy, intonation, emotion. That's why movie English feels more alive than textbook phrases. Here's a little example from me. Let's pretend we're in a movie scene right now. I'll say a line, and you repeat it after me. Are you ready for this? Let's do it. I've got your back. We'll figure it out together. Don't give up now. That's it. You're acting in English. You're speaking with feeling. And now, a life tip. Try building your own English playlist. Not just songs, but favorite movie lines. Save them, write them down, whisper them to yourself when walking, cooking, or waiting in line. Let English live in your day like a soundtrack. You don't always have to be serious. Some days, practice English like it's a game. Like you're on stage, like you're in your favorite show. That's how your voice gets stronger. Before we finish, I want to remind you, learning English isn't just about rules. It's about rhythm, feeling, fun. The more you enjoy it, the more you'll grow. And here's one more thing I want you to try this week. Pick one scene from your favorite English language show or movie. Watch it 5 times in a row. Really, 5. First time, just watch and enjoy. Second time, turn on subtitles. Third time, read the subtitles aloud with the actors. Fourth time, mute the sound and try to say the lines yourself, acting them out. Fifth time, watch again with sound and feel the difference. Notice how your mouth moves. Notice how your mind gets quicker. That's real learning. Not just memorizing, but living the language. It might feel silly at first, but trust me, it works. The more playful you are, the faster you improve. And if you ever feel stuck, like the words won't come, just imagine yourself as a character. Step into that role. Pretend you're in a scene where you must say something important. Your brain will surprise you. Even a simple line like, I need your help, or let's find a way, can unlock your speaking power. The more you play, the more natural it feels. And now, just like I promised, here's a little song to help you remember something new, a gentle way to carry today's lesson with you.
Step on the stage, lights are bright, words in my head feeling just right. No script in my hand, but I know
Thanks for listening all the way. If this made you smile or learn, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need a calm cup of English too.